Hello, this is Ali and James from ALTA. We have the weight relief strap here. We're going to demonstrate as far as how to assemble it, how to mount it on the rack, and then also how to use it. Go ahead, James.
First,
you have two pieces, so you take the long piece and you loop it on itself, as so. Show the loop. Yep, there you go. And then you're going to take the end and put it from the back, up, in through, and then down the tab to create that. So this is a complete part now. You still have a single loop on top, and then you also have the loop on itself. So you're gonna take that and wrap it around your top bar and take the looped end, the long part, and run it through the other loop, basically tying it around the top vertical. Once you have that, you could basically loosen that loop and put it around the pedal on the side, on the outside of your basket, on the side right there. Then you start pulling on it. You want to tighten this around the crank, basically, like that. And then you start pulling on it until you get some tightness going. The final part is lift up on the bike a little bit and then tighten that. The way you know you've hit the spot is you have this gap here, and this is a 29er, so you're always gonna have a gap with the other ones, but the gap's gonna be on this side. And then when you pull on the bike, there's no effect on the gap. It's not coming back trying to flex the basket. Don't lift up too much because it's literally gonna lift the bike off the basket and float it. So there's a sweet spot. See how I did that? Just relieve the weight of the bike and then pull on the strap, and then there it is. So now I could put my weight on this basket and nothing will happen. And this is Ali and James from ALTA. This is our weight relief strap that will be shortly available on our website. Thank you.